I absolutely reject the policing of my speech. When we're being exterminated, I don't give a shit about your feelings. I don't give a shit about anybody's feelings. When people, humans, children are being shredded, are being burned alive, like, why is that even a topic to discuss at this hour? We are angry. Yes, we're angry. We're enraged. It's not natural to be kind and polite when we're seeing the things that we're seeing. It's unnatural. It is the most natural thing in the world to be angry, to be enraged. And that's okay, right? It doesn't mean you're about to, shoot up people and stuff. That's not it. It means that you were honest. It means that we have this very natural feeling and reaction to something that should not happen in the world. And it can be fuel. If you allow that anger and rage to become a fuel, it is actually hugely empowering. And I think people should embrace their anger.